channel. It's Sidhu here. Today I'm going to react to Dandadan episode number 12. It's the last episode and man, finale is here. It's been a journey. It's been a very good journey. Hopefully they land the ending here, ending of the first season at the very least, and also at the same time create a curiosity for the coming seasons. I have heard that the second season has already been announced, so I'm excited for that too. But yeah, it's been a journey, man. We came so far. Like, we started with two weird characters, Ayase and Okarun, and their worlds colliding, and them meeting through accident, and them going on a journey. And I think so, even though it seems far or it seems too long of a journey, all of these stories are happening within a week or so, maybe, or at least within 2 weeks or something. So this is crazy actually, like what these characters went through within 2 to 3 weeks. Yeah, and they also, many of the people fell in love, many of them they created so many, or they made so many new relationships, connections and all those things. So that was also great to see. New characters we saw. Such a fun anime, man. This was such a fun anime. I'll speak more about this anime after watching this final episode. But yeah, to recap, or at least to recap where we are basically, or to recall where we are basically at the end of the final episode. Previous episode we saw basically two skeleton and half human type of demons and their love story. Like, he was running all around the town to meet his love, something like they are some kind of mannequin type of things. So I don't know what's the deal is and anything about that. But the previous episode was definitely fun. Like, it was about the first love of Ayase. So that complicated the dynamic between Okarun and Ayase. And I like to see how and where their relationship is going to go from here. And hopefully it's going to be fun. So yeah, without wasting much time, guys, let's get to the episode. What? They brought them home? Only one is there. Where is the other one then? The first love is playing with the cat. He doesn't know what she is actually. He doesn't know the backstory of that cat. Yeah, what happened to the male one? Chemistry room? Oh, wow. Wow, he's going to pretend to be like that then. Wow. Such a good lovers. Man, this house is slowly becoming an hostel or a PG for these demons. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, what about the wall then? Wow. Oh no. Damn, what? Why are they fighting? She got fed up on him. See the background. Yeah, again see another eating episode. After a fight, they have an eating episode, man. This is such a good trend to see. The author is deliberate about that. Wow, he is fascinated by her powers. Yeah, he saw it for the first time, right? Man, the cat scratches on his cheeks. Man, be wary of what you wish for. Yeah. Yeah, he's a little jealous about their relationship. Yeah. Ooh. Man, Momo is having a plate full, man. She's enjoying her time with both. Oh wow, yeah, he got motivated by this, right? In the previous episode. Yeah. Huh? No, that does. Man, this is embarrassing. He's so short, man, compared to both of them. What is this? What is he trying to do? Oh no. Why are there no subtitles for this? Wow, they are going this weekend? Wow. Okay, so we will see that in this episode itself. Oh yeah, he doesn't know, right? His backstory. Cool. Jojo, yeah, Gigi. His name is Gigi, right? Oh no, he's misunderstanding. Nice. Will they resolve it in this episode itself? Man, Gigi is such a sweetheart. He's growing up on me. Oh no. Something is going to happen here again. Man, what is this? What? Yeah, I can hear it too. What? Some footsteps. Oh no, it is the pink-haired girl, right? No, this guy. Yeah, I forgot about this. He's going to come out at night, right? Wow. Man, it reminded me of Luffy. He's taking public transportation. Wow, that's bold. True love. Oh no. You can still live, right? Oh no. Man, that turned dark suddenly. Oh, come on, don't do this. Man, she is cute. Her sleepy face. I mean, I'm talking about Ayase. Man, this anime is so fun. I'm going to miss this. Oh no, the daylight is coming. He has to return. Wow, did they wait it this long? Is Ayase even still here? Oh man, they are making me emotional for even again another demon then. Nice. Of course, I knew he is going to come, but this is still nice. Wow. Love story between mannequins. This anime is wild, man. Cool. She fell asleep. But he has to return now again. Sad. Yeah. Okay, they didn't know that he's going to come every day. GG room keep out? What is this? What is he feeling? Again a nightmare? Oh no! What is happening with his eyes? Oh, this is sad. Him acting like this. Huh? What's that? Man, that was creepy. What was that? Wow, yeah. Okay, wow, so they are en route to his place then. Nice. Man, I can't believe he's acting so nonchalant and energetic even after having that kind of nightmares every day and not being able to sleep. Cheery. He's so cheered up. That's why I'm liking his character, man. He's so mentally strong. At least he seems to be. Man. He's suffering from inside, man. Getting my nut back? It is still weird, man. Wow. He's repeating it. Yeah, even I forgot about his nut being missing. Yeah, wow, he doesn't know. Will she tell him? What is Kazu? What's he going to do? What? Suki Kinos? What is that? Huh? That is a wild theory. But what is Tsushinoko? So is it a snake? Some kind of snake? Wow, he's hijacking that too. Unknowingly, I hope so. Oh. Wow, now they are bonding. Nice, man. Gigi is so charismatic that he even charmed Okarun. Nice. Now kiss. Wow. Yeah, he's so innocent, man. Yeah. And Okarun, huh? Oh, wow, okay, yeah. That's a catchphrase of Okarun, right? Not Okarun, I mean Ken Takamura, yeah. Yeah. He's a good guy. I think so. What? What is this? Oh wow. The town or the village of Gigi. Hot Spring District. That's cool. Wow, that's a teacher. Wow, research on volcanoes. I don't think so it's going to be. Yeah. Oh no. The fact that they are mentioning it, It may happen. Now I am excited and scared. What? Who was that? Why is everyone looking at them? Wow. Is it built on a hill? Maybe volcano. Yeah, they mentioned volcano. So the whole village or town, whatever this is built on a volcano or something. But I'm now scared, man, about the volcano. What more? Chuppa chuppa. What was that? Slurp and derp. That's what subtitle is telling me, at least. Yeah. And that's what I'm asking. He did not sleep. Even then, how is he so energetic? Yeah, he's going to get serious now. Yeah. Maybe that's his superpower. Having more stamina. Maybe Okarun feels something. Oh, what was that? Man, the music. Who are these? Are those the villagers? No. Did all of them turn into some kind of creatures? So nothing. Zilch. Wow, they have to stay and night then. Man, this is going to be interesting. Exactly. Oh no, Gigi. Hmm. Hmm. Don't jinx it. Do not jinx it. Allow me to message your shoulders. Wow. Man, Gigi is such a nice guy. Touch your shoulder, what? Yeah, time to rest for now. But that, some creature that haunted Gigi, it felt creepy. Is it that weak then? Something is wrong. Wow, she's going to hot springs already. Have fun with Gigi. Yeah. And something is going to happen. Wow. They're going to end the season with a bang, right? Yeah. She asked for a juice, right? Oh no. And yeah, man. Those villagers look funny, right? In the district. Man, something is going to happen with Ayase. Wow, okay, soccer. Wow, you have never played soccer or football, I should say. But Ziji is so nice, man. He is teaching him properly without judging him. Man, I'm becoming a big fan of Gigi. What? What did he hear or sense? Yeah, wow, it's his first guy friend, right? What? Someone watching her? Who was that? Are those the villagers again? Wow, he's confessing. Huh? What? Yeah. Wow. Yeah. What is this turning into? What is this, man? Suddenly turned into wow, they're both confessing. This turned weird, man. I was not expecting this. Yeah. What was that JoJo pose? Is he going to say? Yeah. Yeah. Maybe he kissed her too. We don't know still yet. Oh no. Yeah, something is in the air. Yeah, thought so. Huh? Man, this turned creepy. What is this? Yeah. It's funny but creepy. Wow, yeah. Even after all that. Man, I was convinced. Wow, so he has still feelings. I thought he gave up on Ayase. Huh? What did he see again? He's sensing something. Not strange. Oh. Did that appear right now? What? It was a co-ed bar? Yeah. Man, this is a scam. But of course she can handle herself. These five guys are nothing. Hmm. Hmm. We are having a sexual harassment arc right now. Yeah, so there is something in the air too. Maybe them breaking it down will help Ayase in some way. Hmm. Gators? What? Wow, they were discussing about that in the train. Wow, they're calling them that themselves. Wow, yeah, like gators. Man, we are really having a sexual harassment episode. Yeah, something is going to help Ayase by doing this. Huh? What's that? Hmm. No. Yeah, this is bad. What is this? Why is this happening? Creepy guys. Wow. Such a big room. Filled with some kind of curse labels or something? What? They're ending it here? I don't understand. Like, was this the final episode? Isn't this the final episode? Like, this is weird. How was that an end of a season? I think so. This is the final episode. What? Man, I'm still shocked. Like, I was expecting a shock ending, but not this shocked. Like, what was that? I thought we were taking a mid-episode break, not, wow, we have to wait for the continuation of a freaking episode for another season. I don't know if I am shocked or disappointed. Man, this was crazy. Well, guys, the episode ended there. Well, I'm not sure how did they end the episode there, man. This was like, I can't even call it a cliffhanger. Like, how is it even a cliffhanger? I know it is a cliffhanger, like the clear definition of it is as a cliffhanger, but come on, man. End it at a conclusive base or something. Like, it was such a bizarre end. Like, they ended it like they randomly picked a point and like in the middle of the action they ended it. How? When you are ending it at the moment of like the moment where Ayase is about to get sexually harassed I mean, and they found at a room, and that's how is that an ending? And it didn't even seem like it was heading towards an end, like it was going to be an end. Like Tom Cruise once talked about how when they're going to end a movie, when they're going to end their movie, like the music and everything should flow in a way that indicates that the movie is moving towards the end. Like the music picks up, the tension picks up, and everything tries to reach towards a crescendo. So that's what Tom Cruise talked about, because without that, movie seems suddenly to have an abrupt ending. So to prevent an abrupt ending from happening, they had to employ that technique, and that technique again became famous and everyone started employing that technique. But basically, yeah, you write your stories and you employ the music, the tension and everything such that it is making a cone, it is reaching an ending point, and that's where you end an episode or a season or something. But you're ending an episode, this didn't even seem like an episode ending. You're ending a season like this without any indication of it being an end. Like, it felt like a middle of the episode. It didn't feel like end of the episode. Like usually we can feel okay, yeah, it felt like another episode and we can see what happens in the next episode. But no, it seemed like mid scene they ended it. Man, I know I'm going in a rant, but I don't know about you guys, but it felt weird, definitely. I was enjoying this episode. I was definitely like having my share of enjoyment from this episode a lot. The way the boys started fighting for the girl and them basically talking about how they are one up each other, and the train scene, the creepy atmosphere that was created in the district and everything. Of course, Dandadan does all those things very well. Like it is no surprise to see them doing this well. But I don't know how and why did they mess up this episode. Maybe budget cuts? Was that the reason? Or something? I don't know, man. I had to read up on it. But definitely, of course, thankfully or Luckily, season 2 has already been announced, so we don't have to wait that long. I think so it is coming in July 2025. But yeah, that's what makes me hurt. Like, I know they had to end somewhere in some cliffhanger, but a cliffhanger or an end of a season should encourage you to wait for the coming season and make you curious, not feel abrupt and blue balls. This is not even blue balls. Blue balls is feeling, I wanted to know what happens, but no. Like, I thought I was going to know what happens clearly. Like, of course she's going to beat all those 5 creepy dudes and they are going to go into the room and everything. It didn't even feel like some kind of mystery where they can leave it as a cliffhanger. No, they did not. It didn't feel like that. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say, and most probably you guys are feeling like this also. But yeah, this was strange. This is the strangest ending I ever seen or felt or experienced in all of the animes I watched. Like, I have seen a bizarre endings and ambiguous endings, but this is what? How should I call it? This is incomplete ending. Not even incomplete. This is procrastinated ending. That it seemed like that. At least, man. I don't know, man. Well, I asked for a shock ending, and they gave me a shock ending. Definitely. So yeah, be aware, be careful for what you wish for. But yeah, guys, coming back to the season, to talk about the season. Even after this ending, this type of ending, this was a great season. Like, it entertained me throughout the season, giving us one of the few of the best episodes ever. At least of this year. Too many emotional. It was such a roller coaster type of anime. We are having an high peak entertaining funny anime, funny scene or funny emotions, and then again coming down to sadness, feeling sad, feeling like oh no, and then feeling horror again. What is happening? How can this be happening? Then again, like the way he's creating or making us feel emotions. The author I'm talking about, making us feel emotions with the stories of the spirits I'm talking about. Like, Demon Slayer does that too. Again, Demon Slayer gives them tragic backstories, but I'm not talking about tragic backstories. I'm talking about even funny things that are happening with spirit or kind of love story type of thing that we saw in this episode. It was so touching. Even though we knew what was going to happen, it's predictable. Love is predictable, but even then it shocks us. But yeah, thinking about this season, I was waiting each and every day in the week for Thursdays, waiting for Thursdays to get entertained and to laugh, to cry and everything. So this season was special, definitely. But yeah, I hope they could end this season a little bit more gracefully. But anyway, guys, I enjoyed this episode a lot. I enjoyed this season a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode as much as I did. I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction to this episode, and if you did, please like, share, subscribe and push the notification bell so that you will get notified when my other reaction videos drop. And also do comment below in the comment section your thoughts on this episode, your thoughts on my reaction. And if you have any tips or suggestions for me, as I'm new to this reaction thing, please comment down below. I do need them. I reply to each and one of them. I read each and one of them. So please interact with this video. Help me out. It's free to do. So I hope you guys do it. And coming to the next anime that I'm going to react, I have not decided it yet. You guys can recommend me the animes I should be reacting in the next coming anime season. Like after this, as the Dandadan anime slot has completed, I like to fill it with some other new anime or new starting anime. So please recommend it, guys, and hope, and if it is possible, I'll react to them. So yeah, and finally, yeah, without forgetting, I want to thank all of those who have always been here for me, who have always been helping me out, who have always been sharing these videos to their friends, subscribing, pushing notification bell. I have grown a lot in covering this Dandadan and Blue Lock also. Like, I gained so many subscribers. I crossed the 100 subscriber threshold, or basically the 100 subscribers count. So thank you guys again. Thank you so much. You guys motivate me to do this, and it's fun to do. It's not like some kind of chore. I don't feel it like a chore, but even then, it makes me feel seen. And it motivates me whenever I'm reacting. I'm not talking to a camera, I'm talking to you guys, you 100 people. I'm talking to you guys, and that's what makes me enjoy the process a lot more. So yeah, thanks for supporting me, and I'll see you guys in the next Anime's reaction.